Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Meitu app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just click here on me down here, and just click here on me. It's going to take you to this list here. Click here on system accesses management. You come to next step here, click here on notifications here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications. So then you come to next step here, click here on notification categories. You come here to silent. Just click here in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here silent notifications disable with us now. So that's sorry. So that's all you have to do to disable it here. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.